This is a very quick video on how to make a faceted surface for a cylinder. We'll start out with a line, make a small diamond shape, pull that shape up to about 1.5 millimeter. Then we will facet the surface. And just to make it a little bit easier to work with, I'm going to take this and facet this a very small amount. That way we can go over to drawing plane, plane view, zoom out. Now we'll make a circle. Make this circle 20 millimeters. Go to 3D mode, and now we'll move this forward so the facet is half embedded in that surface, and we'll move it down so that it's beneath the surface. That way the facet won't interfere with this plane. Now we'll come over here to the component tree and pick that solid, move, create a pattern, and the pattern that we will create will be, let's say, 30 millimeters high. And the count will be, let's find there, see the count is 10. That gives us a nice stack of these facets. So the next thing we'll want to do is, still in move, pull the center over to the center of rotation around that circle, then create a pattern and rotate around there. Now we'd like to get this, excuse me, we'd like to get this to about 15 degrees. It's one way to do it, but let's hit Control Z to undo that. We'll go back and pick this entire stack. Then we'll say create pattern. Make that about 15 degrees. That gives us half of our faceted pattern. So the next thing we want to do is pick that entire group of facets. Hit Control C, which doesn't seem to do anything, but it copied that into memory. Then Control V, which pasted a copy down. Now we're going to rotate the second copy by half of that 15 degrees from earlier, so 7.5. Now it doesn't look like it's going to be doing what we want to do, so the next thing I want to do is line these up. I'll move the second set that we copied down by 1/2 of the length of the facet, which was 3 millimeters, and we've got a perfect faceted surface. So now let's build the inside to this. We'll find this plane, pull that out, make sure we're on Add, select the inside, and we'll pull that up. Now we'll round these edges. Oh, we might as well be consistent. We'll facet the edges instead of rounding them. Now we'll select this surface, Plan View, Drawing Plane, and we'll select a circle on the inside. Let's say we'll make that 16 millimeters. Pull that, and we'll hollow out this. Hit H to return to the home view. And we've got a perfectly faceted surface. That's it. Thank you.